Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Bear, always a good time. Sacramento River today on a Sunday. We out here. It's Fit Fishing, baby, and we out here. Fit Fishing the Sacramento River. We out here. Advocating manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies. We got to teach our sons how to be men. We got to show our children good examples of fatherhood. And we got to teach everyone positive coping strategies such as journaling, fishing, fitness, anything that can relieve those stresses of your daily realities, you guys. You want to get that off your chest every day. Good times. And we're back. What's up, you guys? Arvel the Fit Realtor. We out here having a good time. We got baits in the water. It's pretty dope. We trying to see what we can do. Yep, yeah. So we gonna work it out. And we're back. Arvel the Fit Realtor. Bear. We out here. Capital City, Sacramento, California. We on the Sac River today, and we out here. We getting ready to do some catfishing, some striper fishing on the riverbank. We got some shrimps, and that's all. And we getting ready to go. Good times. 5:30 in the morning. We'll see you at the water. We off of Capitol Mall, and we just crossed the bridge, and we gotta go down. Well, there goes a baseball field there. We gotta go down this little trail so we can access the river. On the other side of the bridge is where I'm staying, but there's no river access. So I had to walk down I had to walk down. So now I can actually access the river from right here. But I'm gonna go down a little further so that I don't get hung up on these trees. Sacramento River fishing. Good times. All right, you guys. Across the river is downtown Sacramento. You see the bridge here. And I'm just going to tuck in between this thing right here and this tree to my right. I don't need a whole lot. You see somebody was already fishing there. I'm going to use that as a pole holder. So I just got to get rigged up now. All right, you guys, Arvel the Fit Realtor. I brought a couple rigs with me. I'm not going to use the lures though, but I got the pyramid rig. I'm going to use that. I'm right here. Brought my alpha pole with me. Shakespeare alpha pole. Brought that on the plane with me. So I'm going to get this on the rig. And then I went to Safeway and bought some shrimp right outside of downtown Sac. So we're going to get these shrimp out there. Here's my rig, pyramid sinker. I mean the three-way swivel with the pyramid sinker and the snailed hook. So I'm gonna get that tied up. Here's my shrimp. So I got my shrimp on just like that. Pyramid sinker there, and I'm gonna get it straight out. Some of the natural wildlife right here on the Sac River are these geese. It's a bunch of these geese running around. You guys can see them there. They're running around all over the riverbank. And once again, we're just positioned a little bit away from this bridge. Forgot what the name of the bridge was, but this bridge actually goes up in the middle. If there's a big ship coming, the bridge will go up. Sac River, and the water's moving pretty fast, so if you were here, you don't want to get in that water. I do see some people using it for recreational use, like jet skiing and boating and stuff like that. Then there's some ferries on the other side. So Sacramento, California, good times. It's Fit Fishing, baby, and we out here fit fishing the Sacramento River. We out here advocating manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies. We got to teach our sons how to be men. We got to show our children good examples of fatherhood. And we got to teach everyone positive coping strategies such as journaling, fishing, fitness, anything that can relieve those stresses of your daily realities, you guys. You want to get that off your chest every day. Good times. You see the geese are having a good time out here. Yeah. Downtown Sac on the other side. It's now 6 o'clock. Got out here about maybe 15 minutes ago. Early morning fishing the Sac River. We're using shrimp. We know there's big striper in here. We know there's big catfish in here. And we're sitting here on the west side of the Sac River. And that's why on the left side is kind of glare, because that sun is about to come up over that bridge right there. So anyway, we out here waiting to see what happens. Now I've been here for a couple days now, Sacramento, and every day I've seen a few people fishing the river. I don't know if they've caught anything, because I didn't come out here. I didn't walk down the river until today, but we'll see. Good times. I'm gonna get this one back out there. I'm using a 1 1-ounce pyramid sinker, so the current can't really take my bait. Fishing about 2 feet off the bottom with the snailed hook, so looks like that current is taking my bait a little bit. If you can see the pole kind of doing this, that's the pyramid sinker dragging along the bottom a little bit. But hopefully it doesn't get caught up on anything. I got my drag set just in case something big hits. Good times. While you at it, check out our merch down below. We got some fit fishing gear, fit fishing the Inland Empire. Still a good time, always a good time. We got the manhood shirt, manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies, so we can advocate that. We out here. All right, Sacramento fishing, Sac River. I couldn't find any livers. I'm downtown, wasn't really no grocery stores, but I did find a Safeway that has some fresh shrimp. The only thing is they're split down the middle. Sometimes the ones that are split down the middle, they'll fall off your hook, so you got to make sure you hook them real good. And anyway, so I don't have any mackerel, I don't have any anchovies. You know, the striper like the mackerel and the anchovy, especially the anchovies. All I got is the shrimp, so we're gonna see if they'll hit them. Catfish out here too. So if you fish the Sacramento River anywhere downtown or whatever, let us know in the comments the best spot, where to get the catfish, where to get the striper, what bait you use. Comment down below. We just had a boat come through and kicked up some waves, you know, little excitement for us. And I wasn't even tripping because when the boat came through and then my pole started looking like it was getting hit, I got excited. I wasn't even thinking about the waves, you know. About 6:30 now. You see that sun trying to come up over those skyscrapers over there. There was a lot of graduations this weekend. Shout out to everybody at Sacramento State University, the Cal State system, the Hornets. They all graduated downtown Sac, where the Kings play in the arena. All this weekend were their graduation, so that was good stuff. Shout out to those families. Fit fishing, baby. Manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies. And you know, we talk about mental fitness and physical fitness. So get you some weights or find you a gym. Get you a journal, start journaling. Whatever you need to do to clear your mind and make your body more healthy. Good times. You know, these natural waterways, the fish, they like the early morning or the late night. I don't have any of my lanterns or anything, so I definitely couldn't come late night. But so I tried to get out here as early as I can. 5:30, 5:45, whatever time I got out here. Sun had barely come up. So hopefully I didn't miss the bite. I don't even know if fish bite right here, but I did see people fishing along this bank all weekend long. So it's Sunday right now. So hopefully we get a bite out here soon so I can pull one in on camera. You see that boat, they out here trolling. They must be going for those salmon. Out here trolling the river. So you know there's some fish out here. All the fishermen are out here. Sun trying to peek through that little tower on the bridge. It's a pretty cool sight right there. Fit fishing, baby. And we out here. It's fit fishing, baby. And we out here. Sacktown fishing. Happy to be out here. You know, the fishermen, we all get excited when we see bodies of water. Look at this body of water right here. And this Sac River runs all the way from up north to the bay. It'll take you to the San Francisco Bay if you follow it. So that's good times. Known for its salmon, striper, you know. So all right, you guys, we've been on this spot for a minute, so I'm gonna walk down the river a little bit, cast out there, see if we can get on a bite down the river just a little bit where I've seen the other people fishing. So I'm gonna reel up. Like I might have got hung up, you guys. I lost my pyramid sinker. To tie another one on when we get down river. See that, you guys? I got hung up. Water moving so fast, I don't know what happened. Anyway, I'll fix it when we get to the new spot. Good times. Alright, we're gonna walk down this river a little bit more. Just lost my first little rig. I only brought 3 rigs, so can't really afford to keep losing it. See that sun finally coming up over there. Can't afford to lose any more rigs. Well, actually, I guess technically I can afford to lose 2 more, but I don't really want to. But anyway, I'll try this spot right here. This looks like a pretty cool spot. Look at that bird over there. You guys see that bird? Good times. Now the sun's coming up, so there's a glare, but you guys can see kind of like my 360 now, the bridge. That's over there. You see the east side of the river. Then downriver. And then behind me are like some condos or something. Look at all these trees that have been here for hundreds of years. Good times. Okay, you guys, at the other spot, I lost my pyramid sinker. As you can see, still got the snailed hook, and that's kind of the purpose of the drop shot concept. Is if the weight gets stuck in some rocks or something, you don't have to lose your whole rig. So I still got my hook, but I will have to tie on another rig because another pyramid sinker. So I'm gonna do that right now. Good times. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get this shrimp on and then I'm gonna get it out there. Luckily, somebody already did the pole, built some pole holders for me. So all I got to do is sit here. Good times. Fit fishing the Sac River, and it's a good day to be on the river. You can't beat it. You absolutely can't beat it. Nice and relaxing. Something about that water, you guys, that brings a certain calm to your spirit. If you're not familiar, get familiar. If you haven't visited Sacramento, California's capital city, it's a pretty cool city to visit. A lot of people don't really know that all these waterways, outside of that, you know, they got different tourist stuff for you, sports teams, etc. But always a good time, Sacramento. Sac River fishing, baby. Fit fishing. All right, you see this bird. That bird got a great poker face. It's been there for about 20 minutes. Just posted up. It haven't moved. Well, it just moved. Anyway, good times. I just saw some fellas fishing over here. And they said they're fishing for striper, but they were using power worms. They're fishing for striper with power worms. I never heard of that. But they said they've been getting some bites. Who knows? Maybe it's the salmon in there. But I can't tell them. I mean, they're locals. They know their waterways better than I do. But they said they've been getting bites, so that's a good thing. Fit fishing, baby. see this shoreline right here, all these trees. That could be good if you need some shade, if you're fishing during the day. Get under one of these big trees. You see people fish out here all the time. They got the little wooden, little pole holders already there waiting on them. Overhanging trees. When the water level is higher, it's probably makes for some good cover for the big fish. You see people jogging up on the bridge, and it's all good. It's a big tree floating in the water over there. It's good stuff. Maybe if I had some chicken liver, things would be going a little differently right now. I know them striper love that chicken liver. But whatever. We got what we got. Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times, and it's a blessing to be alive, number one, but number two, it's a blessing to be alive on the Sacramento River fishing. You know, happy to be here, happy to be alive, able to come out here and relax on a natural waterway, the longest river in California, and just grateful, you guys. So what I want you to do is think about what you're grateful for. What are some of the little things that you're grateful for today? Is it that hot cup of coffee? Is it seeing your kids smile? Is it having a conversation with your family or your friends? Is it getting on the lake or the river? What have you done today that you're grateful for? Write that down in the comments or keep it to yourself and write it in your journal. But we always got to figure out what we're grateful for. We can't take anything for granted. We only come this way once. Good times. Obviously, I hope we catch something, but I'm pretty fulfilled just being able to get out here on the river and fish. Last time I didn't bring my pole, so I had to pay a bunch of money for a little spool of line and some hooks and weights and stuff like that. This time I brought my pole, so I'm real deal fishing, just waiting on the fish to bite. But you can't beat it, watching the sun come up on the Sacramento River. And just being out here is always a good time. I've been casting out very far, as far as I can with that 1 ounce pyramid, but what I decided is to only cast out just a little bit, as I see this current, and I'm thinking maybe the fish are right outside this current, a little closer to the bank. So I only cast it out about 20 feet this time to see if that makes a difference. So we'll see. Good times.
That's right.
I'll catch you guys.
Interesting how the water looks right there. Those waves make those little ripples in the shoreline. It's pretty cool. As you can see, there's some more fishermen down the way there. They said they got a couple bites. Who knows? All in all, it's a great day, great morning. It's only about 7:30 now. We've been out here for hour and a half, waiting on the bite. Always a good time. Fit fishing, baby. And we out here. Alright, you guys, I'm out of here. About to start walking it back. I gotta go over that bridge and back to the downtown area. We out here. Sacramento River shore fishing. Good time. Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Bear, always a good time. Sacramento River today on a Sunday. We out here. Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Capital City, always a good time. Sacramento fishing, fit fishing, catfishing, striper fishing. We out here. And we're out. And you already know what it is. It's fit fishing, baby. And we out here. Peace, you guys. Arvel the Fit Realtor back with another Sunday motivation coming straight from the capital city, Sacramento, California. And today's Sunday motivation, it comes from a concept I got from this book called Drive. And the book Drive talks about how to increase intrinsic motivation, which is motivation that comes from within, not external. All right. In certain situations, we may be motivated by something external, such as a reward or a punishment, but we need to learn how to foster intrinsic motivation where we are motivated from within. So anyway, in this concept, there's three different points, and the first point to be more intrinsically motivated is called autonomy. And autonomy is basically independence. And this is the freedom to direct our own lives, the freedom to direct our own learning. So keep this in mind in the workplace, on your teams. If you have children, show them how to conduct their own lives and be independent. The second thing is mastery, And mastery is simply becoming the best you can be in a certain craft or situation. So whether it be a trade or art or design or speaking or whatever it may be, whatever your craft may be, you want to keep going towards mastery, and your desire for mastery will intrinsically motivate you to keep going and be successful. The last thing is purpose, and purpose is to do better by ourselves and the world. Do you have a purpose? If you have a purpose in this world, a reason why you're on earth, then you will do better. Okay, if you have a purpose, you will do better, and you will be more motivated to live, learn, and grow. So, take it from the book Drive, autonomy, mastery, and purpose are the three things that anyone needs to be self-motivated. So keep that in mind at the workplace, keep it in mind at home for your children so they can be more motivated to learn, grow, and succeed. I am Arvel, the Fit Realtor. That's today's Sunday Motivation, live from Sacramento, California.